Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a case-bound book. And as you can see, the end sheets have come loose right along the spine on both sides, and also the headbands are coming loose on both ends. Fortunately, we're able to catch this in time to make a repair before it gets any worse, and the repair will be quite simple. I'm going to dab some glue. Got my Jade 711 acid-free glue, PVA adhesive. I'll be dabbing that in with my skewer, which is really handy for getting it to small places, and also pushing the glue all the way down. Because get some glue on the skewer and just run it down all the way, and then I'll just clamp it. Before I start applying glue, I've got a strip of wax paper folded to the proper width. I'm going to fish it down the spine so that I don't want the spring back to get glued to the case of the book. A bone folder is perfect for pushing that down. Alright, it's the next day and the glue has set. Yeah, looks like I did a decent job. Let's get the wax paper out of there.
Make sure that there's no glue holding the wax paper in. Check the headbands. Headbands are firm. Take them off.
Come on, the papa. The wax paper is stuck in there, probably along the edges. Let's see if we can break that glue along the edges. Okay, let's try again. It is pretty stuck. Here it comes. Come on, don't tear. It's tearing. Okay. Got that. Let's see, Okay, yeah. Next thing to do is check, see if any pages are glued together. If any pages are glued together, get a sharp knife and separate them. That's pretty firm. Alright, I'm going to call this a success. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO, right?
Yes.
Yes.